There are a lot of reasons companies choose a particular city to open their businesses, but perhaps none quite like the one that recently lured a corporation to break ground in Minnesota by the end of this year. Gordon Severson shows us how a high school robotics team helped attract a multi-million-dollar magnet company.
When the school bell rings at Sartell High School, the school day may be over, but the learning doesn't stop. For the Sabre Robotics team, every practice is a lesson in trial and error. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. And in the early years of the program, students say they did a lot of learning.
When I first came into this, we were lucky if we had a moving robot.
Paige Erickson,
Really lucky if we had a moving robot.
joined the robotics team in 3rd grade.
Yeah, that could be an idea.
She's now a senior and a team captain.
I really am passionate about what we're doing here.
She was on the team that won 2 back-to-back local tournaments and then went to the World Championship 2 years in a row.
We've done really well.
Coach Ryan Swanson says these kids are amazing. So he wasn't surprised when he got a phone call from the city of Sartell asking them for help.
And they said, gather a couple kids. We want you to make a presentation to these representatives from a company that's looking to move to Sartell.
The company was Niron Magnetics, a company with a single mission: to create a better magnet that is better for the environment.
Just a block of iron, one of the most recycled materials on the planet.
They break the iron into tiny particles and then add nitrogen.
Which has these amazing magnetic properties.
Using a high-powered press, they can shape this powder into magnets that can be used in countless products we use every day.
It's like this electric guitar.
From musical instruments and speakers to car parts and cell phones.
Magnets are used to make the world go round.
After years of research and development, the company is now ready to sell their magnets to companies around the world. All they need is a new facility to make them.
We actually looked at 75 different sites in Minnesota. We down selected to 15 and then to 5.
A team of top executives visited all 5 cities, including Sartell, to see which one would be the best fit. And they were blown away when they met the Sartell robotics team.
That was the only robotics team we saw of any of our locations. This team came out, these young people, they looked us in the eye, they showed off their robot, they spoke eloquently.
The team also built this custom-made medallion, welcoming Niron to the community.
We were blown away when the team came on stage and handed us this medallion. We were all speechless, honestly.
And the leadership team thought, well, if we're going to be hiring 185 people soon, perhaps these students could one day be our employees.
A lot of the skills that the robotics team works on, it's not just the technical and being able to build a robot. It's about teamwork, right? It's about working together to solve problems.
A few weeks later, Ryan got another phone call from the city announcing that Niron was coming to Sartell.
It's like, oh my gosh, the opportunity in front of us is incredible.
Even more exciting was the company saying his students played a big factor in their decision.
So getting to be a part of it and be part of bringing that into our community has been so cool.
It was like, ooh, I actually did this.
The company's plan is to break ground on this 80-acre piece of land here in Sartell by the end of the year and to be making magnets by the end of next year. For the robotics team, it's another lesson that when you work hard and commit to something, people notice.
A lot of manufacturing is kind of going away a little bit, so getting to pull it back in a higher level makes me proud of my community.
In Sartell, Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.
Well done.
Super impressive.
And what a great teacher, too. I mean,
Right.
that's awesome. Well done,
Good.
kids.
I love that.
And they're just getting themselves some employment before they even go off to
Potentially.
college.
Yeah,
I like
potentially.
it.
You never know. Oh, my goodness. They're going to do great things.